Article 21. Archaeological sites and remains, constructions, monuments, places, bibliographical documents and archival materials, art objects, and tokens of historical value, expressly declared cultural assets, and those provisionally presumed to be so, are the cultural heritage of the nation, irrespective of whether they are private or public property. They are protected by the state. The law guarantees ownership of such cultural heritage. In accordance with the law, private participation is encouraged in the preservation, restoration, exhibition, and dissemination of such objects, as well as their return to the country when illegally taken abroad. Article 22. Work is a right and a duty. It is the foundation for social welfare and a means of self-realization. Article 23. Work, in its diverse forms, is a matter of priority concern for the state, which provides special protection for working mothers, minors, and persons with disabilities. The state promotes conditions for social and economic progress, in particular through policies aimed at encouraging productive employment and work education. No working relation can limit the exercise of constitutional rights, nor disavow or disrespect the dignity of workers. No one is obliged to work without pay or without his free consent. Article 24. The worker is entitled to adequate and fair compensation that ensures both himself and his family material and spiritual well-being. Payment of wages and social benefits for the worker takes priority over any other obligation of the employer. Minimum wages are regulated by the state with participation of representative organizations of workers and employers. Article 25. The normal workday is 8 hours, or the normal work week is 48 hours at the longest. In the case of cumulative or atypical workdays, the average number of work hours during an equivalent period may not exceed that maximum. Workers have the right to weekly and annual paid vacations. This benefit and compensation are regulated by law or agreement. Article 26. The following principles must be respected in labor relationships. 1. Equal opportunity without discrimination. 2. Inalienability of the rights recognized by the Constitution and the law. 3. Interpretation in favor of the worker in cases of insurmountable doubt on the meaning of a regulation. Article 27. The law grants the worker suitable protection against unfair dismissal. Article 28. The state recognizes the right of workers to join trade unions, to engage in collective bargaining, and to strike. It ensures their democratic exercise by 1. Guaranteeing freedom to form trade unions. 2. Encouraging collective bargaining and promoting peaceful settlement to labor disputes. Collective agreements are binding in the matters concerning their terms. 3. Regulating the right to strike so that it is exercised in harmony with the social interest. It defines exceptions and limitations. Article 29. The state recognizes the right of workers to share in enterprise profits and promotes other forms of participation.